Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 28th day of October 2025. The market moved a lot better than it was moving yesterday. Um, so yeah, it was a lot easier. So what we're going to set up is the same as we do almost every day. We take our strong candle indicator. It says to go ahead and take this candle in the direction that I'm pointing. So it's green and pointing up. So we're going to take this green candle and we're going to take it as far as we can. We look over here at the PVI. We expect the next candle to be anywhere between 40 and 60 ticks in length. We are stair stepping, so there are other reasons for taking this trade. The ATM, we're going to pair with it. So we're going to use our standard 16s, 30s, and 60s. We'll de-risk after our 16s, and we'll just see if we can catch our runners. And this is how it went in the room today. We got to wait for a pullback. Oh, come on. Okay, get our order on. That's a really nice retrace. Put our order on the body of the candle. Wait to get picked up. I love the retrace. If it lasts up to a minute or more, that's even better. That way, when it fails, you got more power going the other way. And here we go. All right, so we're in. Put our stop where it belongs and their last major failure point, and we're just going to let it go. So we'll go ahead and speed it up just a little bit. Notice what happens after our first target is hit. So hit here, we de-risk the trade. So our stop comes from all the way down there, all the way up here. Boom, 15, 16s, and 31s are out. And we should come to a +1 here in case this R2 stands in our way. Those were all-time highs again on the NASDAQ. There you go, 60s are out. That trade took about 3.5 minutes to complete and was worth 625 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 625 US dollars in 3.5 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. Got an amazing course for you to take and learn all about trading, as well as the live trading room. So we look forward to seeing you all at samuraidaytrading.com very, very soon. So God bless, and we'll see you next time.